Hello guys, in this video I will show how to install WhatsApp Beta. So this is the testing version with some more features. You can try WhatsApp Beta on your Windows desktop or laptop. Search and open store. Now here search WhatsApp. So here you will see two options, just off WhatsApp and WhatsApp Beta. So select it. Get WhatsApp Beta and you will be one of the first to try, update features and share feedback about the new app. As always, your personal messages and calls continue to be protected with end-to-end encryption. No one outside of your chats, no even WhatsApp can read or listen to them. So it has some more features. You can try on this WhatsApp Beta. So this is the way guys you can download and install WhatsApp Beta on your Windows system. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.